for a wander.
Yeah.
Did you see him jump? Okay, watch this jump.
We need to be 2 meters away from the penguin, guys, eh? Let's keep that in mind.
Okay.
Reason for that, the nesting has gone down by 75%. Because these penguins are under a lot of stress. We also come here, definitely we want to see them.